But our next aircraft is already on the runway, ready to take off. So if you look for the red smoke down the end of the runway, we have an aircraft once again not very commonly seen. It may look like an F-16 Fighting Falcon, but please be assured this is nowhere near the same. The Mitsubishi F-2 is a multi-role fighter that was derived from the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon, which is why they look very similar. They were manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Lockheed Martin for the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, with a 40-60 split between manufacturing between Japan and the United States. The basics of the design is the F-16 Agile Falcon, an unsuccessful offer by General Dynamics to provide a low-cost alternative to the advanced tactical fighter competition. With production starting in 1996 and the first aircraft entering service in 2000, the first 76 entered service by 2008, with a total of 98 airframes produced. The aircraft flying today is the F-2. The F-2 is also nicknamed the Viper Zero, a reference to the F-16's semi-official name of Viper and the Mitsubishi A6M Zero, combining the two to be the Viper Zero. Although the two aircraft do look similar, there are some differences between the F-2 and the F-16s. The F-2 has a 25% larger wing area than the F-16. Composite materials were used to reduce the overall weight. A longer and wider nose to accommodate the active electronically scanned array radar. The F-2 was the first operational military aircraft to feature this radar, before the F-22s. It also had a larger tailplane, a larger air intake, and a three-piece cockpit canopy. Four different variants of the F-2 have been made over the years. The XF-2A, which is a single-seat prototype, the XF-2B, which is the two-seat prototypes, the F-2A, which is the single-seat fighter version, and the F-2B, which, you can guess, is the two-seat training version. With the afterburner at full chat right now, producing over 29,000 pounds of thrust. From the General Electric F110-129 afterburning engines. At full speed, the aircraft can travel at 1,320 miles per hour. Designed as a fighter aircraft, it has also got incorporated a machine gun inside the aircraft. It's got a 20mm JM61A1 cannon, plus a maximum weapon load of just over 8 tons.
Whether by wire or spinning land, there is no techno evolution for the dead. Psychotic dreams arise in dread. I see the world in neon red.
The F-2 is also equipped with a drogue parachute, which is the version of the F-16s that are used by the South Korea, Netherlands, Norway, Greece, Turkey, Indonesia, Taiwan and Venezuela. The Japanese Air Self-Defense Force, founded on the 1st of July of 1954, which is just about 67 years ago. It was informally referred to as the Japanese Air Force. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force has an estimated of 50,000 personnel as of 2013, and as of 2020 it operates about 750 aircraft, and approximately 330 of them are fighter aircraft. Making an approach now from your right, you can see the two big air brakes on the back of the aircraft, similar to that of the F-16. And there is the drogue parachute that we had mentioned only a minute ago. A fantastic performance from an aircraft that is not commonly seen in these parts of the world, the Mitsubishi F-2 from the Japanese Air Defense Force.